Career success is not decided only by what you know, but by how you handle pressure, uncertainty, and yourself. So, this episode is about the life skills that quietly shape long term success. Hello, and welcome to the Kapeel Gupta Career PodShow. So, today I want to talk about something the schools rarely teach, marks don't measure, and degrees don't guarantee life skills. Because here's a hard truth that I've learned after working with thousands of students and parents: most careers don't fail because of lack of intelligence. They fail because of lack of emotional strength, self management, and decision making skills. Hi, I'm Kapeel Gupta, career coach, life mentor, and founder of Study Abroad Academy. I empower students, parents, and conscious professionals to design a fulfilling life and career by aligning their minds, values, and aspirations. I do it with coaching, mindset work, and the game changing power of graphotherapy because students deserve more than just guidance. They deserve transformation. So let's dive in. See, when students come to me, they often say, I'm capable, but I panic. I know what to do, but I procrastinate. I have options, but I feel confused. Now, these are not academic gaps, these are life skill gaps. So let me simplify this. Life skills are not motivational quotes, they are daily capacities. So, the ability to handle pressure without collapsing, make decisions without constant validation, or manage emotions when outcomes are uncertain, or stay consistent even when motivation fades. Now, here's what most people miss: life skills become visible only when life becomes difficult. Let me repeat this. Life skills become visible only when life becomes difficult. So anyone can perform when things are smooth, but careers are built during rejection, uncertainty, slow progress, comparison, failure, and without life skills, talent burns out quickly. So, this is why you see brilliant students afraid of interviews, toppers struggling with confidence, skilled professionals stuck in indecision, or capable people underperforming under pressure. In career guidance, I don't just ask, what do you want to become? I also ask, how do you respond to failure? How do you handle ambiguity? How do you regulate stress? Or how consistent are your daily habits? Because a career is not a straight road, it's an emotional journey, and life skills are what keep you steady on that journey. So, if you're listening to this and thinking, I'm intelligent, but something still feels missing, that missing piece is often not knowledge, it's inner capability. So, life skills don't replace education, they support it. They turn potential into performance and effort into endurance. So, if you're a student, a parent, or a professional navigating career decisions, remember this: the strongest careers are built by people who develop both competence and emotional strength. So follow the Kapeel Gupta Career Pod Show for weekly episodes on career clarity, study abroad awareness, life skills, and the inner world behind success. Because careers don't just need direction, they need inner stability. So thank you for listening.